Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create this pipe using Salome meca. We'll be using a special command called Extrusion along path. Using this command, we'll be creating this geometry. Let's get started. How to draw this model. So first, I'm just new. Go to geometry model. So first we'll create the sketch in which way we want to, we just want to draw the path. For that, just go to basic 2D sketch. I'm going to use the same one. So I just give the fit screen, just apply it. I just length I'm giving 0.1, relative 0.1, just apply it, fit screen. Here we can see up to this we have created the line. Now we'll create the arc. Relative radius, this one is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, or we can give 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Print screen, yes. So we have created a line, then I'm just creating arc, then just apply it. Next I'm going to create a line, relative, the length I just want to give in y direction is 0.1. Just apply it. Now I just want to close the sketch, just close it. Now this is the sketch I have created. So this is my sketch. Here this is my path through which I just want to extrude it, switching on the axis. Now I just want to draw the cross section area. Go to new entity, basic 2D sketch. We can use rectangle also. Here by simple way I'm just going to use circle. Point is origin and normal to the axis is OX. Radius I'm giving 0.1. 0.1 radius is coming very big, so I'm just giving 0.05. Yes, just apply and close. So this is my section. Now I have created only the line. To make section, just go to build this face. So I have created the face. Now see, we have created the path. The sketch one is the path, and I have created the section or area to which I want to extrude is a face. Now we can use the option called generation extrusion along path. So now base object, it asks base is the face one and path. Choose the sketch one is the path. Now you see it has automatically generated the pipe. Just apply and close. Now we have created the model. This is the way we can use extrusion along the path. If you want to generate only the surface instead of solid, just go to new entity, generation extrusion along the path. Now base object, instead of choosing face we can go for circle, and path object we can choose sketch. Now you see the circle is extruded as a face. So we will not be getting solid, we will be only getting a surface. So this is the way we can use extrusion along the path command in Salome meca. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.